Okay, this is what my porch looks like. Just a whole bunch of leaves and all that. Not much. Whole bunch of tiles on the ground and leaves. Half of this tree came down. I don't know if you can see that, but half of this tree came down. I haven't checked anywhere else around the apartment, but yeah, these trees, they're fine. Just like I said, a whole bunch of tiles. This is what the damage is. That's mainly leaves, roof tiles everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Over here, it's also still pretty relatively windy. If you go over towards here, you can see some more twigs, and there's a big tree branch on the ground right there. Thankfully, we have power and still have internet, so we can see how big that branch is. Look at that. So these winds must have been at least 60 or so miles an hour for it to come down like that, and for it to be a branch this big. And let's see, a piece of the siding on here, right there. And there's also some pieces of debris in the pole. Some bigger tree branches right here. These are decent sized, all on the ground here, mixed along with some more roofing tiles. Those are the biggest ones so far. You can see. Look at that. That's clean cut off. This must have been, at least, for it to have done this much damage, at least 60 miles an hour. See another shot of the damage. Still relatively windy, but not as bad as it was. A piece of the wood came crashing down right here. Fence, I mean, broke it. Don't know if you could see that, but there's some debris in the pole. I think it looks like a lawn chair right there got slammed into it. Some other debris in there too. Tree branch. Again, just some scattered roof tiles all along the ground here. It's worse when it gets over towards here. See, they cleared it up a little bit, but a lot of leaves scattered all over, medium-sized branches. Look at that. Like I said, thankfully the power's still on as of yet. You can see some more damage, and there's some cat right there. Piece of siding flew off. Don't know where that came from. No idea where that came from, but that flew off. Same with this gutter right here. Some more stuff. Another piece of siding, it looks like. Don't know if that's siding or that's roof. I think it's siding. Some more leaves scattered all over. Look at that. That's a big tree. Again, at least 60-mile-an-hour winds. And then knocked out this entire thing. Look at that. Wow. That entire thing is gone. Some more damage here. Again, winds at least looks like they were 60 miles an hour at least. Another piece of siding came really close to hitting that home right there. Don't know how lucky they are. Oh no. Yucca fell down, and a cactus. There's a cactus on the ground too, so I need to be careful where I step. But yucca on the ground. Some of it's still there, but a lot of it's gone. Look at that. Decent sized tree. Poor thing. This is an entire fence blown over. Look at that. And that pole came down. So these ones must have been really strong. Look at that. There's a door stuck right there. That door flew off of that. Look at this. It flew off. Is there glass there? Let's see if to go across. Okay, look at that. There's a piece of wood right there. And let's just walk along over here. Some more debris. This is probably, what, like 20 feet away? Something like that. Now, keep going over here, turn this corner. And if you look up there, you can see that there's a door. And half of it is ripped off. Look at that. Like the entire thing is, half the entire thing is gone. So, I'm coming to the conclusion that that flew over across to here and landed right there. So this is to show you how strong the winds were even over here. So.